What's up, guys? Today I'm actually gonna try to clean my wheels because honestly my wheels on my skateboard is now like it's no longer trying to actually turn no more, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right, let's see. By the way, just wanted to say, so I'm trying to practice my ollie, so I end up finding this bad boy. It's like it's another enjoy not too bad of a board. Like, it's kind of only messed up only like right here, but you know, for just like a board for me to practice how to do the ollie, I think it's perfectly fine. But yeah, my wheels are starting to actually stick, and I actually want to get them clean, you know. But that's actually a pretty good sign that my board is like being used, you know. If you have to now clean them, I think. So yeah, we're gonna go straight to Walmart and buy, I think, was it paint thinner? I think that's what it is. I don't know, it's gonna be my first time actually cleaning my wheels, and I'm afraid to actually mess them up because it is a good board, and I really get scared when it comes down to fixing anything that I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is what I should be using, but I could be wrong. Please tell me I'm not wrong. All right, I'm outside. Got my skateboard. Got paper towel. Got a little bucket thing. I'm not sure if the acetone might go through this, but we will see. Let's see. Got the acetone itself. I'm pretty sure this is what I need to use. The lubricant, high performance lubricant. Yep, that's what I need. And gloves, and lastly my tool. So yeah, let's actually get the wheels out first. All right, is it this one, oh no, wrong one, this one right here, right, yeah, that's one. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Also, don't forget to actually make sure you don't lose a single nut. That's the last thing I want to do. One wheel. Ooh, yeah, definitely need to get these things cleaned. Second wheel. See the difference? Look. Clean. I mean, dirty. Clean. It's a good sign, right? The fact that it's dirty, it's a good sign that I'm actually I'm skating. All right. Now, how do I take off the bearings? Ain't that something, huh? That one came out easier. Actually, no, this one came out easier. If you're wondering what type of bearings I have, I wouldn't know. What is it like? If I focus camera, focus, please. Ah, it doesn't. It is what? I don't know. They're red bearings, I guess, because it's colored red, I guess. All right. So now that I got the bearings all out. All right. So now that I actually got the little rubber pieces off of these bearings, I just gotta put them inside the little bucket. Ooh, I was told that you have them face, what is it, face down or face up? I'm not sure if that makes a big difference. I'm gonna face them down. So let's do that. And again, I hope I'm not actually gonna screw my parents off. But even though if I do, at least my paycheck isn't gonna be too far off, so I can actually buy them. I'm just gonna be not riding my skateboard for a couple days. All right, now that I got this thing finally open, don't sniff, just pour. Liquid. Woo! That's strong. That's real strong. Look at that. Switch it around. And swish it. Alright, got them all switched up for a good solid time. Alright. Put it there. Another one. Ooh, this thing is strong. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is like some strong chemicals. Yeah, definitely wear some gloves. Yep, just like that. What you want to do is just pat it. Oh, look at that. Pat, pat, pat. And then what I was told is that you get like the face up the backside and just, yeah, you want to smash it to actually get whatever it's in there, like all the gunk that's still in there, take it out, you know. Alright, now that I got all that sorted, I'm gonna actually get I'm gonna get the rubber pieces as well. Drop them inside here, just real quickly, you know, just real quickly. Yep. Okay, all the rubber pieces. Yep. Come on. Bam. All that. Okay, I'm nice and dry as well. Alright, now they're all dried and clean, I'm just gonna let it sit here just for a little bit so the acetone can just dry out, you know. Alright, it's been a while since I let them dry. Time to actually get the lubricant, and for what I was told is actually dropping at least 3 drops in, like, at least separately. Don't actually just put it in one place, just actually have it like at least spread out. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Then we just spin this sucker. Spin it, spin it, spin it. Now we gotta do that to every single one of them. Oh yeah. This is the fun part about skateboarding. Maintaining your girl. Or maintaining your wood. Making sure you're still able to ride. Oh yeah, nice little flick. You gotta flick the bearing. And that's what you want to do, flick the bearing. This is practice, boys, this is practice. Alright, now that I got that, now you gotta just put the little rubber pieces back on. They say it's supposed to snap inside. I don't hear no snap, but I feel like it's in there. Oh yeah, this is the life. Putting back the rubber. Oh yeah. And there we go. All the little rubber pieces back on. Good as new, I think. Oh, please God, please don't tell me I messed it up. So for what I was told, or for what I was watching the videos, like skate videos of people doing this, you want to put them like upside down, 2 upside down, and you grab your one wheel, put it in, and it's supposed to be a pop, and it did basically pop. And the other one, there we go. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's good. That feels real good. Again, like I feel like I'm not doing it right, and and I want to make sure I do it right. See, there we go. That's what I'm saying. This one feels like I didn't do it right. All right, I think I got it. What do y'all think? Good? I think so. Put the wheel in. Get a washer. Put this in. Tighten it. There we go. They're still going. Still going. And stop. Alright guys, and I guess that's it, man. Like I finally got my wheels nice and good. They don't feel too tight, they don't feel too loose. Well, maybe this one might be a little bit, just a little bit too loose. But that's either way, that's it. Look at that. My wheels are perfectly cleaned and they're working like they were before. And I love that. I love that. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. It was a process, and stuff like this actually does get me a little bit worried to actually do, because I don't like breaking anything, especially something that's like expensive, and especially this board. Even though I may not bought it, I did not buy it, and it was like for steel. I still don't like breaking anything like that, you know. So it was a little bit scary, but I'm glad that I did it. Now I know, and I can't wait to get back out there and board, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Doses.